If you're a manager, you know how crucial it is to get real-time project visibility, especially when managing multiple teams or projects. In this quick 3-minute guide, I'll show you how to stay on top of everything, track progress in real time, and make informed decisions that will keep things running smoothly. Stick around until the end for an exclusive offer that could change how you manage projects forever. To start, having clear, up-to-date visibility into your projects means you can stay ahead of potential roadblocks. Without it, things can quickly spiral out of control. First, consider using project management software. Real-time visibility is only achievable if you can see everything happening at once in an organized, centralized place. The software we'll be using in this video is designed to give you instant access to the information you need. It tracks project tasks, deadlines, and progress in real time, so you can see where each task stands without wasting time digging through emails or spreadsheets. You can also filter tasks by priority or team, so you get an overview that's tailored to your needs. The beauty of this approach is that it reduces the need for constant status update meetings, allowing you to use that time for more impactful activities. Next, set up your project dashboard for real-time insights. A dashboard is the heart of your real-time project visibility. When you're setting up your dashboard, ensure that you display key metrics like task completion status, deadlines, and resource allocation. This gives you a bird's eye view of everything in a single glance, which helps you identify potential delays before they become issues. Customize it to your team's needs, so you're seeing only the most important data for your role. Now, let's talk about notifications. Turn on real-time alerts for critical updates. You don't want to be caught off guard by delays or issues that could impact your deadlines. By setting up smart notifications, you get alerted as soon as something goes wrong or when a task is completed, so you can react quickly without having to constantly check in. Another key to real-time visibility is collaboration. Encourage your team to update their progress regularly in the system. With real-time updates from everyone, you can see how things are evolving and adjust priorities as needed. A good software will allow you to track comments and notes from your team directly on tasks, which will keep everyone aligned without having to go back and forth over emails or messages. To really get the most out of this setup, don't forget to use reporting tools. Most project management software has built-in reporting that can give you a snapshot of your team's performance, whether you're looking at a daily, weekly, or monthly view. This helps you see trends in your team's productivity, understand what's working, and spot areas that might need improvement. Finally, if you're serious about improving your project management game, the software I've been using for this video offers an exclusive free trial for my viewers. You can get started immediately by clicking the link in the description below. Key takeaway. To get real-time project visibility as a manager, set up a clear and customizable dashboard, enable real-time alerts, ensure regular updates from your team, and use built-in reporting tools. This will allow you to stay ahead of the curve, make better decisions, and manage projects with confidence. Don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive free trial in the description below. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more actionable tips.